Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share a quick haul with you that I've done with the Stamps of Life. They had a flash sale. I don't think it was last week, I think it was the week before, and I just got it today. And so, this is what I'm sharing. What I got. So, let's see. So I bought a 6-pack of small blocks, which are these, and they come in very handy. So I'm gonna use them for cause right now I have my stamp. I don't know if you can see it good, but I stamp behind all the cards I make. This stamp that I got from the Stamps of Life, and I've just had it on this, but I believe it'll fit perfect. And it comes with these protective things that I think peel off. So there's one I peeled off, but yes, the stamp fits perfectly on it. That's what I was banking on. You can order personal stamps from the Stamps of Life as well. They have ones that are already, they have samples of some stamps, and then you could just personalize it with your name or whatever the words you want to use. Can't be too big though. So this is the full effect. I love it because it's good to grab. Love it, love it. So I got 6 of those little assorted stamping blocks. I also received, this is a new item, might be sold out, but I think they get them in pretty quickly. And look at all of this fun glitter shaker bits. But these are the different ones in the set that it comes in. How cute! Look at all the fun colors. So it's rose blush. It has flowers and cup sequins as well as some stars and seed beads, it looks like. And then pink and black party. Yep, looks like a party. So sequins, flower mix, some seed beads. So cute. And then pretty pink. So this lighter shade of pink, there's some yellow goldish hearts. I see some clear cupped sequins as well as some pink sequins and some seed beads as well. There you go. And then some winter white. These have stars in them, some smaller sequins as well as some clear and white cup sequence, and then some seed beads as well. I don't know if you can see the different ones in there. And then this last one is the berry patch, and it comes in a set. You buy it in a set. So this one has flowers, cup sequence, some seed beads, and I love the colors of this. So yes, so I got those, as well as I did get a die cut. It's a circle die cut. It comes with a shadow piece as well, and it says, "Thank you, my friend." And I'm always looking for thank you sentiments. So this is perfect because I got to get my die cuts swapped out in the mail to my partner. I just got mine today from my new Canadian friend Cheryl. Hi Cheryl! Not sure if you watch my videos, but yes, I got your package. So I got that die as well as these slimline die, and it's not the die to make the slimline, it's just to cut out. I don't have the slimline die, but I figure I know how to fold some paper. You just fold the 8.5 by 11 paper in half, and you pretty much get a slimline card. And so I bought this so I could add to those. So I'm excited to see how this cuts out as well. And then they included a little inspiration card, and this is from the December 29 club kit, which I probably still have some pieces from this kit. But yeah, so this is my little haul from Stamps of Life from their flash sale. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. And for more videos like these, see here, please consider liking and subscribing. And until my next video, shakas!